Oh, I'm going to beat Bilal this weekend. I'm going to knock him out, cement myself as the #1 contender. I'm then going to fight Islam Makhachev, wherever that man wants to fight me. If he wants to fight me in Dagestan and Russia, I'll see him there, right? I'm going to win that belt. I then have to go back and get what I need, which is that win of Shavkat back. So I will fight Shavkat. If he wants to do it in Kazakhstan, I'll do it in Kazakhstan. And then I'm going to go back, and I want to fight in Rio, in Rio de Janeiro, against Carlos Prates. I'm going to give him an opportunity to try get that win back and fight for the belt. I'm going to knock him out. And then afterwards, I'm going to tell him, now, son, you can go to sleep, knowing that I'm just better than you. Does that make sense? And he knows it. He tells himself, I know he does. I know the type of person Prates is. Prates, man, I love you, you're cool, right? But he knows I'm better than him. He had that fight. He had 11 weeks to prepare for that fight. He was ready. He was preparing for everything. I got off the couch on 3 weeks' notice, and I beat him where he's best. He couldn't touch me. Everybody else he fought, he knocks him out unconscious. He hit me, I took it, and I was like, all right. The only bit of success he had in that fight was I made a mistake. Nothing that he did good. Go back and watch the first 4 rounds. I beat him where he's best, and I made it look easy. I barely broke a sweat doing it. So, Prates, você não gostaria de luta de novo?
Thank you.
Thank you.